Presenting the 2012 Subaru Legacy, powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, alloy rims, an alarm system, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist. Inside you'll find heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, child safety locks, power seats, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."